Turkey.
This question came from Germany. A brother asked, Hazrat Rasul...
Brother from Turkey?
No, from Germany.
I see.
Yes.
I thought a Turkish brother who lives in Germany asked this question.
Yes, yes.
Is it right?
Yes.
The question is asked by a Turkish person who lives in Germany.
In Germany.
Correct.
Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Man tarakas salata muta amidan fakat kafara. Whosoever leaves a single prayer deliberately, he becomes a kafir. What is the real meaning of this hadith?
Kafir means who refuses to accept an order which he must respect. So prayer is essential, is obligatory on every Muslim. So for that moment, he becomes kafir, that he refuses to accept the word of God. It's as clear as that. I don't understand any other meaning. I don't understand why the question is asked. If, as the mullahs insist that whenever the hadith declares a Muslim a kafir, that person must be murdered, then they should all murder each other for not paying respect to namaz. There is a hadith which proves the point. And even if the other meaning of kafir is taken by the questioner, then they should go on striking each other's heads, each other's necks. I mean, striking at each other's necks, and behead everybody, like they believe the Jewish people were told to murder each other. So this hadith should be used for that purpose then. If our meaning is not acceptable, then I mean. This literal meaning which they insist is the right meaning, that the person really becomes a non-Muslim, and the subsequent juristic position they take, such a person should be murdered because he has become murtad. If this is accepted literally, although it will become a grave tragedy for the world of Islam, but at least it will have one advantage. The population problem of most countries will be resolved. In Pakistan, for instance, there will be hardly a few people here and there spread all over who can claim that they did not leave in namaz muta'ammidan. And the problem would be that they will kill those who leave in namaz muta'ammidan. And they will also kill Ahmadis according to their own belief. If an Ahmadi says namaz and he does, then he will be killed for saying namaz. What a strange murder spree it will be in Pakistan. Every Muslim would be killing other so-called Muslims for not saying prayer. But the few who say the prayer, how can they kill all those who do not say prayer? That will be the problem. The problem would be they will kill them in response, because they will be in majority. They will be stronger. They say, all right, come and get us and we'll get you. So all those who say the prayer from among the so-called Muslims will be destroyed and finished. But then will be the turn of Ahmadis. Those mullahs who say that Ahmadis should be murdered because they say the prayer, they will be gone. And the rest of the people who do not say the prayer, they are not bothered in fact about Ahmadiyya. So in this way, a different problem will be resolved. Let's try it in Pakistan.